Shawbrook has around 1,500 employees. We have 500,000 customers. Our previous estate, we had an aging 3-par, we had old HPE blades, and with the advances in technology and the demands of our systems, they were just simply not performant enough to keep up with our requirements. And so from this, we needed to take a step back and reevaluate what we were trying to achieve. What we're looking for in a partner is exactly that, it's a partner. We're looking for someone that we can trust and they can trust us. We can have very honest conversations, and we know that it's about a common shared goal. I was a previous client of Ultima. Using the expertise that they brought in, it helped build the foundation of the relationship. So once there was an opportunity to bring in a new partner at Shawbrook, I leveraged that and reached out to our account manager, and since then they've been a partner. So through the partnership, we first of all wanted stability. So we went to HPE, we went to the CIC along with Ultima's specialists, and from the ground up, we redesigned our server and storage infrastructure. We have also adopted a cloud sensible strategy. Now we're able to use the advances of on-premise technology and really have that optionality as to where we wanted to run workloads. This has had a fundamental impact onto our customer experience, providing that reliability and performance that our customers deserve. The solution was to replace our servers, so we got new servers which were some standard 380s, and then in addition the storage that was provisioned was Electra MP. We wanted some additional protection and additional resilience, and with Zerto we're able to complete DR tests now in seconds rather than hours. With Ultima, they were on call for us. They had as much invested in the success of this refresh and migration as what we did. So whenever we had queries, whenever we needed support, we was able to reach out to Ultima as much as we was HPE. And so they were there designing it with us, but also on hand to support us technically and from an account management perspective throughout the entire journey, and then long after as well. Ultima are a key strategic partner. Everything that was promised was delivered, and it continues to be delivered.